Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Sorry about that. Alrighty, it's a good experiment here I want to show you guys. I've decided to take the hot coming out of the flyback and what happens when you put it in a loop and send it out. So I'm going to put a bunch of stuff underneath it and we'll watch to see if the material moves. And this has been pretty fun. This is the Variac plugged into the wall, going into a full wave bridge rectifier. And that's one way of running this. I don't have this hooked up right now. The second way of running this is, well, when you come out of AC, you got to smooth down after you come out of the full wave bridge rectifier, and you have to go both ends of the DC into a capacitor to smooth out, and then you come out of the capacitor into your circuitry. It's a trick not a lot of people show you. So smoothing out the lines, the ripples we'll call it, from the AC to DC. The second alternative, which I like, is the 12 volt DC car battery. You don't need a capacitor because it won't run. And you go into your circuit. Tonight we're going to use the DC power supply, and because when you fire it up it shows current on your draw and your voltage going in. So this way we'll be able to, I'm going to show you guys, one thing is to build a flyback, and to have a flyback is to know a flyback. And to know a flyback is you really have to investigate, just like anything else. And you're going to see what triggers it, what makes it react in different ways. And I guess we can start off with a little quick test on that. And how we'll do that is we'll come over here and we'll just turn down. Well, let's do the first experiment, because that's the most exciting. Is we're going to put some goods. I got some materials here. It's a combination of sawdust, a little plastic, and also little pieces of aluminum, some mica. Put that down there and see how things react. It's got some, oh, here you go, some fur. So we'll see if fur is reacting or if nothing moves. But let's, so what's going to happen is this is the hot coming out of the flyback. My calculations, I'm getting a 1/2 inch. They say 1 inch is 80,000 volts, so I'm going to say we're at 40,000 volts. Depends how much we put in there. So let's go ahead and I guess I'll keep you on there. I'll fire up and let's really zoom in. Yeah, there we go. Let's get you zoomed in and see what's moving. Good position right there. You ready? We're going to fire in a hole. Alright. There we go. You guys see that stuff move? Now let's go ahead and bring in the negative. Let's get out of the light. Let's bring in the negative. Look at the material reacting. You can also see the lens on my camera. Huh. Alrighty. Well, still dealing with the same issue, but I forgot to put the heatsink on this suckers. Mucho caliente. Better known as real hot. Hot stuff, man. Let's go ahead and put a new 2N3055 in place. This time we'll put a little heat sink on there. That'll keep it cool. Thanks for leaving that comment on using the fan. That's what I'm gonna set up. Some cool, these are just parts of the big experiments we'll be doing with this high voltage, and we'll be increasing the voltage. So let's go ahead and fire it up again, and let's see what action we have again. You ready? So look what happens to the material when I touch this. So I'm taking in the charge and I'm changing the polarity in that. Is that cool or what? So right now that material's taking a charge. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna touch this. See all that material? Watch when I move my hand. Jumps up there. Let's come over here and let's back up the video a little bit. Let's bring the light bulbs in play here. Go ahead and we'll touch one light bulb. Funny thing I want you to see is I'm gonna hold the light bulb in my hand, and we're gonna touch this one wire, single transmission, onto this light bulb, and wirelessly I'm gonna get this on top here and get this charging to where it actually it'll light this bulb up. All right. Turn the voltage up a little bit. Yeah, babe, look at that. The other bulb's lighting up. It's hard to do, but yeah, it lights up wirelessly, and that's pretty amazing in itself. Here you go, look, it just lit up. Or if I turn that down, hold this over here. Let's see how I can do this. Another light bulb lit up. How do the bulbs lit up? It's wireless transmission right there. Single wire. Alrighty. Look at the bulb. The bulb's just sitting on the table. As soon as I bring the wire near the bulb, look, the bulb's lighting up. So, it's another topic I wanted to get into with you guys, which is dielectric, and that's one of the reasons why this high voltage out right here is causing the effect to the material underneath it, is because there's a dielectric insulator that's around there, and this stuff acts to dielectric big time. You can see the proof is right here. Look at the bulb lighting up just from bringing this wire near it. Single transmission. Here's the metal clip. I don't know if you can hear that hissing. Alrighty. Leave your comments. Peace out.